In this video, I'll show you how you can use the chart element to create either a graph or a chart directly in the Maglr block editor. So in order to create a chart, we're going to use the chart element, of course, which we can add through the add button on the top left side of the screen. And as the second tab, you will find the charts section under which you will find the chart element. And simply use it by dragging it into the page to give it a place. Then we can select it. We can edit the chart settings on the right side of the screen by clicking the Edit Graph button here. And then we'll be taken to an entirely separate window under which we can set the visual representation of the chart. So it might be a line chart or a bar chart or a mixed chart, for example, polar area chart. There's multiple types of charts you can choose from here. Then second tab, we find the chart data. And this is basically a list of cells you can fill out in order to fill the graph with the data necessary in order to review it. So fill in any type of text of numbers you want to display here in order to have it represented to you in the chart itself. Then chart settings, third tab. There's multiple types of settings you can change. So the title of the chart, for example, the font size that's being used, the title position that's being used, and all other kinds of chart settings you can change here. So if you want to change the visual representation of the chart, you can change that here. When we're finished with our chart, we'll simply click Save Chart in the bottom right. And then we'll see the actual visual representation of the chart with our hovers in there as well. I can directly address them from inside the editor. Of course, I can check it using the preview here in order to see what it will look like on an actual screen. And that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.